Hi everyone, welcome back to Dance Geek. Very sweaty, it's really hot here in Melbourne and I've just been dancing a little bit, and that's what I wanted to talk to you on today's Tip Tuesday about. So you'll hear tapping in the other room, which is right behind the camera. I'm not sure why I decided to set up the camera without my attachment microphone right next to a tap studio, but you know, that's a dance life. And I'm sure most of the dancers and definitely the dance teachers are just used to having tap and other people's music as a background noise. So you'll deal with it, you'll be fine. All right, so it is here in Australia, it's back to dance, back to school time. I've been teaching for a week and I'm sore. The dreaded D.O.M.S. So D.O.M.S is delayed onset muscle soreness. And it's those aches and pains you get about a day, or in my case I get it 2 days after you've done physical activity that you haven't done in a while or that you haven't done before. So it's the back to school, back to dance aches and pains, and we're going to talk about how to deal with those. I'm only going to give you a couple of little simple things that work for me, but my first tip is when you wake up and you've got those delayed muscle soreness issues, don't do that silly thing where you're like, ow, 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 and you like don't walk properly. And I know you want to, but don't. Just walk. Have some gentle, short stretches. So for example, if it's in your calf, do a simple calf stretch, like this one here. Just count. Don't hold it for more than 16 counts. 8 counts is probably enough. It's just to release that tension that's in the muscles. Some other really good things is to use a foam roller straight after class, or when you're feeling the pain. I use a trigger ball like this. I also have a foam roller, but for the larger muscle groups, especially if you, like me, you've got some old injuries and they kind of have a bit of a flare up in that back to dance time, trigger balls are great. So for me, I get it in my piriformis muscle here, your turnout muscle. So you can just pop the trigger ball where it's sore, and like on a foam roller, you just give it a little roll. Trigger balls, they're great. They have no give, like they're just hard. So they're really cool. The other thing I really love is this stuff, especially if you've just got to get on with it and do another class. Like you might have dancing on the Monday, you wake up on the Tuesday, you're sore, but you got to go to class again. This stuff, I'm not sure if it's available overseas, but it is definitely available in Australia at health food shops. And you can get it, you can get it at a lot of chemists now, but it's called Zen. It comes in this spray form. Mine's so messy. It's Japanese peppermint, and I'm normally like bring on the hardcore painkillers. This stuff has always worked for me. It doesn't fix the soreness, as in it doesn't, if there's a problem there, it doesn't fix it. It just helps to alleviate the pain. It's got a cooling sensation, and I really, really love this. I've been using it since I was 18, so 20 years I've been using this stuff, and it's awesome. So some sort of like natural pain relief like this is really good. Think of this as like a natural version of deep heat and those sorts of things. Physio cream, and I don't have mine here, but physio cream is also really good. I'll put that up here. And the main thing is just be gentle to your body, but don't stop moving, okay? Keep moving, keep going with it, and talk to your dance teachers about soreness if it's not going away. If you do these things that I've just talked about and it's not going away, talk to your dance teacher and see a qualified dance physiotherapist. Okay? Your dance body deserves more than just the GP, or you need a specialist, you need a physio who deals with dancers. If they don't know what a plie is, if they don't know what the steps you're doing are, then go and see someone who does. Okay? But that's only if your delayed muscle soreness is not just delayed, if it doesn't go away after a day or two, then go and see somebody. Quick little note at the end, you'll probably have noticed that the comment section on my videos has been disabled. That wasn't my choice, that is a new YouTube policy. I flagged my channel as content for kids, and as part of the new child protection laws on YouTube, any videos that are for kids do not have a comment section, and I'm actually really supportive of that. But if you want to get in contact with me, please go and find me on any of these socials, send me a DM on Instagram, message me on Facebook, or send me an email. It's dancegeek0, the number 0, @gmail.com. Okay, have a great time dancing, especially if you're back to dance like me, and I'll see you in the next one. Bye.